Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today I thought we'd check out the Ganzo Firebird camera will focus. The F759M and 440C. Really thin blade stock. Full flat grind, extremely sharp and pointy, really small knife, but still a 4-finger knife. Plus you can choke up on it. Awesome jipping. Has good action. It's on washers. I mean, for $15, that's all this cost on Amazon is $15. You cannot beat this little guy for 15 bucks. Definitely a Spyderco knockoff, but you can see you got a 4-position pocket clip, so you can carry this any way at all. Any way a pocket clip can be carried, this can be carried. Kind of tough to get my hand positioned just right. But when you do, it's really satisfying. Of course, you can always just open it with 2 hands, or you can always slow roll it with the thumb hole. I'm not real good at flicking from the thumb holes, but they make it really easy and satisfying just to slow roll it. So good knife if you want to throw in the pocket, be kind of discreet about it. Feels like really solid lockup. Won't have to worry about none of the change in your pocket getting stuck in it. Not a deep carry pocket clip, but see, I got 4 color variations. I think this is my only knife that's blue. I might have a couple titanium anodized blue. And then the OD green. Probably my favorite one here is the OD green. Then you got the black, and then orange. Really good texture. Feels real grippy and solid in the hand. Definitely a good knife for 15 bucks. A really nice little beater knife. Cannot beat it for $15. Couple size comparisons. Have it against the Ontario Rat Model 1. So it's a lot bigger. You can see it's a lot smaller than the Ontario Rat Model 1. How about the Ontario Rat Model 2? Really close in size to the Ontario Rat Model 2, which actually feels like a lot larger of a knife than this one in the hand. I think it's because of how wide it is. I mean, this has really wide blade stock. It's probably almost, no, probably not quite double, but it's definitely a hell of a lot thicker than this Gonzo's. And then we have it against my favorite EDC knife. Love carrying this thing in my pocket. Absolutely love this knife. The QSP Penguin. Very budget-friendly knife, around $32. This carbon fiber variation is $38 in D2 tool steel. Ontario Rat. I think this one's on sale right now for like $28. The Model 1 you can pick up on Amazon right now for like $24. So you can't beat it for 24 bucks. Huge knife, but Very, very comparable in size to these two. Can't wait for them to come out with the bigger penguin, which is being released, I thought, in 2022. And then the Ontario Rat Model 2. And a couple size comparisons to some Gonzos. This is a Gonzo my camera will focus. Yeah, I won't focus on that. It is a Gonzo F759M. Very comparable in size. Or the Gonzo G727M, which you can see is quite a bit larger. And these are, I think, up to like $29 each. Awesome action, though, on ball bearings. So, just wanted to make a quick video on these. $15 Amazon knife. Ganzo Firebird F759M. So if they come out with the 759S, man, that thing's going to be tiny. Probably be like the Spyderco Ladybug. They do have a larger variation of this one, kinda. It's a different number, different G10 scales. This one's going to be the Gonzo 729. This is on ball bearings. I did add thumb stud to this. Makes it a lot easier for me to spidey flick it, and I can thumb flick it with it usually. There you go. When I'm not on video, I put the lanyard on there, just kind of matched it. I do carry this one quite a bit. I've had this one quite a while. But if you want a cheap $15 knife to throw in the tackle box or in the toolbox or the glove box or in your pocket, there you go. Very, very slicey blade. Full flat grind. Feels really solid. But let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. Let me know what you carry in your pocket. Have an awesome day.